Hi, as promised, I am going to review this Divoom. Yes, this is our very new and very own Divoom Ditoo Pro Karaoke. So yes, can you see that? I already did the unboxing on my short film. No, it's not film. On my short video, I already did the unboxing, so now it looks like this, and it has a free, really cutesy mic stand on the side. So yeah, we're going to start the mic itself. So yeah, you turn on the mic. You just have to long press the mic, and then this is the volume. Actually 1:50 a.m. so I cannot be super loud or super noisy. Not nosy, noisy. Cannot be very loud right now, so I'm just going to hello, it's me. Yeah, I know. So yeah, starting with the mic, you can click it like this, and then you can get a different sensor. No, not sensor. What? You will get different mode. Like when you click this, it says, is this the right thing? Is this the right? Is this? I'm sorry, I forgot what I'm sorry. My sugar glider is awake. So the main purpose of this is to avoid the p sound on the mic. Yeah, so we're done with the mic. So we're moving on to this one. So actually, this is the control button for the sound. So this is for the, yeah, if you want to, yeah, if you want to make the sound lower, you can click this one, and then when you want to make the sound louder, you click this one. But I think I'd like to stay it that way because I don't want to wake my neighbor. Okay, my neighbors. So yeah, so this is for music. Yeah, this is for music, and this is for the display. As you can see, this one. When you click this, it changed the display. Yeah, it actually moves when you play something. It actually moves. Wow! Actually, hi. See that? Yeah. And then also it has that. And actually, when you play something on YouTube, it will show you the title. For example, you play Brown Eyes by Destiny's Child, it will show here like that. Brown Eyes, Destiny's Child. Am I being... Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. So I just realized, or should I say I just discovered while using this one, I did this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no. What? Oh, yeah. This is for play and pause. That's what I was trying to say. Like, if you are connected to a certain device and then you're far away from your phone or your gadget or your tablet, and you just want to listen to music, you just have to like do this, and then it will play automatically because it connects automatically, and when you do that, when you like do this, I don't want it to be copyrighted, but that's the purpose of that. Actually, there's also an app that we can download for the display. Wait, give me a moment. Hi, I'm back. So I just on my phone, and then just first you need to go to the App Store, and then search for Divoom. So yeah, this is Divoom Pixel Community. I already have it, so I'm just going to open it. So in the store, you can see a lot of designs, and it gets updated like every time. It doesn't get old because a lot of designers always update. For example, this one is uploaded January 12, 2026. So in here, you can pick whatever you want that you want to go to your display. For example, I pick this one, then go there. That's cool, right? So whatever you pick, it will go to your display. So this one. So yeah, so in this community, you have a lot of choices like that, and you can choose whatever you want for your display. I think I like it. See that? So cool, right? My sugar divider. Yeah. And now that I already showed you that, guys, we have another color here that we're going to unbox. It's not food. This is a speaker. I'm so sorry. So this is another Divoom, which is a green color. It looks so elegant. Looks good. So yeah. Here it is. This is green color. This is actually not mine. This is my brother's. So he told me that I can unbox this for my video. Sorry for that. So that I can unbox this for this video. So we can see side by side the color difference. So you have to remove it, the sticker, and then just open. And then, this is the device, this is the color. It's the perfect time to test if it works, because if it doesn't, boo-hoo. Sorry, it does work. And the mic looks so pretty. What is that? Like, so yeah, let's. I'm sorry. Hello. Hello, it's me. No, stop it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm so sorry, brother, but I have your permission. I'm going to remove the stickers now. So satisfying. Yep, this is what it looks like. So side by side, this is what they look like. Yeah. They actually have another color of this. I think that's kind of blue and yellow mix. Yeah. But I think this is one of the best colors they have. Like, gender neutral. It's really great. Yeah, like this. Song. Oh. I know what that one now, because they have a micro SD in here and a charging cable in here. So I think that means that this one, the song mode, is for memory card. Like if you have song in your memory card, if you don't want to connect it on, if you don't want to connect this, I'm sorry, if you don't want to connect this via Bluetooth, you can definitely bring a memory card, a micro SD with a bunch of song in it that you like, and then you can play to this. This is really great, especially if you'll go camping